Picture this, you have $10,000 worth of USDT on Ethereum, but you want to use it on Solana. Right now, your money is completely trapped. It's like having cash in a bank vault in New York, but you need it in Tokyo, and there's no way to move it. Until now. What if I told you there's a secret network of bridges that can teleport your crypto between blockchains in minutes? But here's the catch: over $2 billion has been stolen from these bridges. Some people lost everything, others made fortunes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this hidden world works. Before we dive deep, smash that subscribe button, you'll need it for what's coming next. Disclaimer, important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Cryptocurrency investments carry significant risks, including total loss of capital. Always do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The information presented here is not financial advice. Introduction, welcome back to Crypto Mastery. I'm your host, and today, we're unlocking one of crypto's most powerful yet dangerous technologies. We're talking about multi-chain systems and bridges, the invisible infrastructure that's quietly revolutionizing how we move money across the blockchain universe. Drop in the comments if you've ever been confused about how tokens appear on different blockchains. Problem setup, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why USDT exists on Ethereum, Tron, BNB, Chain, and Solana all at the same time? Or why your favorite DeFi protocol suddenly appeared on 5 different networks? The answer lies in a technology that most people don't understand, but everyone uses. Here's the thing that blew my mind when I first learned about it. Blockchains are like isolated islands. Ethereum can't see what's happening on Solana. Solana has no clue about your Polygon balance. Each blockchain is essentially a separate universe with its own rules, tokens, and users. If you're already confused, don't worry, hit that like button, and let's figure this out together. Think of it like this. Imagine you have money in Bank of America, but you need to use it at Chase. Bank of America can't just magically create money in your Chase account. There needs to be a secure transfer system. That's exactly what blockchain bridges do for crypto. Multi-chain explanation. So what exactly is multi-chain? Simply put, it means one project or token can exist and function across multiple blockchain networks simultaneously. It's like having the same app work on iPhone, Android, and Windows, but for crypto. Take USDT as an example. It's not just an Ethereum token, it's on Tron, BNB, Chain, Solana, Arbitrum, and dozens of other networks. But here's the crucial part. These aren't separate tokens. They're all connected through a complex system that ensures the total supply remains constant. This is getting interesting, right? Make sure you're subscribed, because we're about to dive into the technical wizardry that makes this possible. How bridges work. Now let's talk about the star of the show, blockchain bridges. A bridge is essentially a piece of technology that allows you to move tokens, data, or messages between different blockchains. But the how is absolutely fascinating. Here's how a typical bridge works, and I want you to pay close attention, because this is where things get really clever. Step 1. You send your token to the bridge smart contract on network, let's say ETH, on Ethereum. Step 2. The bridge locks or burns this token, removing it from circulation. Step 3. The bridge communicates with network B, let's say Solana. Step 4. The bridge creates a wrapped version of your token on network B. Step 5. You receive this wrapped token and can use it normally. Comment mind blown if you're starting to see how this works. Bridge types. Not all bridges are created equal. There are 4 main types, and understanding them could save you thousands of dollars. Lock and mint bridges. These lock your original token and mint a new one. Think of it as putting your gold in a vault and getting a certificate you can trade. Examples: Wormhole, Portal Bridge, Burn and Mint bridges. These actually destroy your token on one side and create it on the other. It's like melting down a gold bar and recasting it elsewhere. Layer 0 uses this method. Liquidity-based bridges. These work like exchanges with pools of tokens on both sides. You swap your token for one from the pool. Examples: Stargate, Synapse, Rollup bridges. These connect Ethereum to its Layer 2 solutions. They're generally considered the safest because they inherit Ethereum security. Call to action, which type sounds safest to you? Let me know in the comments. Security deep dive, here's where things get serious. Bridges are the most targeted infrastructure in DeFi. Want to know why? Because they hold massive amounts of locked tokens, making them honeypots for hackers. Let me give you some sobering statistics. Ronin Bridge, $625 million stolen. Wormhole, $323 million stolen. Horizon Bridge, $100 million stolen. Total bridge hacks, over $2 billion. If these numbers shock you, hit that like button. We need to talk about staying safe. Risks and real-world examples. I'm going to be brutally honest with you about the risks, because your financial safety depends on understanding them. Risk number 1. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Most bridge hacks happen because of code bugs. These aren't just theoretical, they're happening regularly. A single line of bad code can drain millions. Risk number 2. Centralization. Many bridges rely on a small group of validators or multi-signature wallets. If these get compromised, your funds are gone. Risk number 3. Network dependencies. If the underlying blockchain has problems, your bridge tokens might become worthless or stuck. Risk number 4. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate cross-chain transfers. Are you starting to see why I always say never risk more than you can afford to lose? Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Step-by-step tutorial. Let me show you exactly how to use a bridge safely. We're going to move USDC from Ethereum to Solana using Wormhole portal. Step 1. Go to portalbridge.com. Step 2. Connect to your Ethereum wallet MetaMask. Step 3. Connect your Solana wallet Phantom. Step 4. Select source chain Ethereum and destination Solana. Step 5. Choose your token USDC and amount. Step 6. Check fees carefully, they can be expensive. Step 7. Confirm the transaction. Step 8. Wait 1-3 minutes for processing. Step 9. Your wrapped USDC appears in your Solana wallet. Have you ever used a bridge before? Tell me about your experience in the comments. Best practices. Here are my golden rules for using bridges safely. Rule number 1. Start small. Always test with a small amount first. I can't stress this enough. Rule number 2. Use established bridges. Stick to well-known bridges with good track records. New bridges are riskier. Rule number 3. Check multiple sources. Verify the bridge URL. Read recent reviews. Check their security audits. Rule number 4. Understand the fees. Bridge fees can be 2100 plus, depending on network congestion. Rule number 5. Never bridge everything. Diversify your risk. Don't put all your tokens on one bridge. Screenshot these rules and save them. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And while you're at it, subscribe for more safety tips, best bridges, and future outlook. Let me break down the top bridges you should know about in 2025. Wormhole, the giant of cross-chain, supports 30+ networks, handles tokens, ENTs, and governance messages. Used by major protocols, but has been hacked before. Stargate Layer 0. Focus on seamless UX and capital efficiency. Great for large transfers between EV-MEM chains. Synapse, user-friendly interface. Good for beginners. Supports major networks with reasonable fees. Portal actually uses Wormhole under the hood, but provides a cleaner interface. Native bridges, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon bridges. Generally safer because they're built by the networks themselves. Which bridge have you used? Rate your experience 1-10 in the comments. Future trends. The future of cross-chain is absolutely mind-blowing. Here's what's coming. Interoperability protocols. Projects like Polkadot and Cosmos are building native cross-chain communication. Zero-knowledge bridges, using ZK proofs to create more secure and private bridges. Intent-based bridging. Instead of manually bridging, you'll just state your intent, and AI will find the best path. Unified liquidity. Imagine accessing liquidity from all chains simultaneously. It's coming. Regulatory clarity. As governments create clearer rules, institutional adoption will explode. The future is multi-chain, and early adopters always win. Are you ready to be one of them? Subscribe to stay ahead. Advanced strategies for those ready to level up. Here are some advanced multi-chain strategies. Cross-chain arbitrage. Profit from price differences between chains. Requires speed and capital. Yield farming optimization. Move funds to chains with better yields. Accounting for bridge costs. Risk diversification. Spread your portfolio across multiple chains to reduce single chain risk. Governance participation. Use multi-chain governance tokens to influence protocol decisions across networks. These strategies are for experienced users only. Are you ready for advanced content? Let me know. We've covered a lot of ground today. Let me summarize the key takeaways. 1. Multi-chain means projects exist across multiple blockchains. 2. Bridges connect these isolated networks. 3. There are different types of bridges with different risk profiles. 4. Security risks are real. Over $2 billion has been stolen. 5. The future is multi-chain, and understanding this technology is crucial. If this video opened your eyes to the multi-chain world, you absolutely need to subscribe right now. We're living through the early days of a multi-chain future, and I'm here to guide you through every step. Drop a comment telling me which bridge you're most excited to try, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest insights. Thanks for watching Cryptomastery, and I'll see you in the next one.